Now imagine this. Imagine that you are in a different world, a world where you are not a social being. But that I mean that you do not need social connections. You're absolutely fine being with yourself, and talking to yourself in a way that you don't bash yourself up every time. You don't doubt yourself every time. Do you think that can happen? Do you think you can talk to yourself in a way where you do not bash yourself up? You're really kind and gentle while talking to yourself. So you choose to talk to yourself in the right way. Now, the real issue is that, as kids, we were never taught how to talk to ourselves. We were always taught how to talk to someone else. When you need something, say please. When you take something from someone, say thank you. But unfortunately, we never learned the right way to talk to ourselves. And today, we just have a ton of self doubt. So, I am Jasmine Chabria. I'm a trainer and a speaker. And today, I'm going to share three really effective ways in which you can actually end your self doubt for once and all. I have personally tried all these three techniques, and I would love for you to try them. So, are you ready? Great. So, the first thing that you can do is give yourself the permission to be imperfect. Just start off. Now, say this potato, okay? Say this potato waited till it became perfect, like a perfect round without any spots, a shiny brown skin. And then it said that, okay, once I'm perfect, I will put myself out in the market and then people will buy me and make amazing aloo sabzis from me, right? Now, if this potato had waited to become perfect, we would never be able to taste it, right? Similarly, we have created a kind of a perfect world in our mind for ourselves. We want everything. We want to work, we want to exercise, we want to write a book, but we don't have the time for everything. So we never start off, right? And then you keep telling yourself things like, am I good enough? Am I doing enough? I have not yet started exercising. Look what's happening to me. I always wanted to write this book. I've still not started. I just don't have the time. Maybe I don't even have the potential. So, what is happening is that because you're not starting off, because you're waiting to become perfect or get the perfect time slot to write, to exercise, you just don't start off. So, what is happening is there's a kind of an emptiness being created inside you. And that emptiness is being filled with self doubt, with thoughts like, I am not enough. I am inadequate. I don't have the potential. I don't think I can go to the gym. Will I even ever lose weight? So that emptiness is not getting filled by doing the thing you want to do. It's getting filled by self doubt, right? So, what you need to do, whatever is your current state, your current schedule, your current timing, don't wait for it to become perfect. Don't wait to get that perfect 1 hour to exercise. Whatever is your current timing schedule, right? It might be imperfect, but just give yourself the permission to be imperfect and just start out. So, be it tomorrow, even if not 1 hour, but 10 minutes, if at home you can do an exercise, great, because your emptiness will start getting filled up with potential of starting something new, of actually achievement, of feeling, wow, I have started doing this. You want to write a book? It's okay, just start by writing the title and maybe the first 4 lines. Just take off. Don't wait for that perfect hour, that perfect month, because the more you wait, the more you are not starting off doing things and the more that self-doubt is building up, right? So that's the first thing, that give yourself the permission to be imperfect, like this potato. and just start off and then see how your self-doubt drops. Okay, now the second technique, I call it the statement of achievement technique, the SOA technique, which has always helped me. Now, there's a psychologist by the name of William James, and he has this proven concept called the restricted circle of potential. What he says that all of us create a kind of a restricted circle of potential in our mind. And that's why we say things like, oh, I cannot do this. Oh, I'm not good enough for this. Oh, I will fail. Because we have restricted our potential in our mind. It's actually an imaginary circle. Okay. So we need to expand the circle, expand our potential, and dissolve it, like actually dissolve it, right? We have more potential than just a small circle. So the technique is called the statement of achievement technique. So just take a piece of paper, okay, and write down one statement of achievement. Anything that you feel you have achieved in life, anything big or small. Be it you did a science project back in school and you're really proud of it, be it you helped your family do something, or be it you helped your friend do something, something you consider an achievement, big or small, just write it down. Okay? Now, the next time you're doing anything, say you're going for an interview and you're getting thoughts like, what if I fail? Shit, I think I won't get this. Self-doubt is creeping in. What do? Remind yourself of the line that you wrote on that paper. So it can be anything, maybe about this amazing science project you did back in school. Just read it out, remind yourself of that, and tell yourself, the task is different today. Today I'm going for an interview. Back then it was a school project, but I had the potential back then and I have the potential even today. Okay? The next time, again, you get some kind of self-doubt. Oh, what if I fail at this? Remind yourself of that. So the tasks in your life will be different each time. Yeah, but you had the potential back then and you have the potential even today. And every month, change your statement of achievement. So today, in this month, this is my statement of achievement. Next month, write down something else that you consider as an achievement. So 12 months and you have made 12 achievements. So gradually, this circle, this restricted circle of potential expands and one fine day it dissolves. So in your life, you'll have different tasks. It can be something in the career space, some fitness goal, or you want to buy a car, a house. Tasks are different, but you need to remind yourself, back then, I had the potential to do X or Y or Z. And even today, I have the potential. So the focus needs to be on the potential that is within you. Yeah, tasks will differ, but potential is there, right? So try out the statement of achievement technique, take a paper and now itself, try to pause the video and write whatever you consider as an achievement. And the next time self-doubt creeps in, remind yourself of that achievement statement. Now, and the third thing is, go all in, get in a boxing match with your self-doubt. By that, I mean, the moment you get one thought of self-doubt, like, what if I fail? So get in a boxing match with that thought. So what if you fail? So your mind will be like, okay, so what? I lose the opportunity. So then ask again. So the world is full of opportunities. I'll get another opportunity. Why do you think I fail? I've tried so much. I don't see a reason. You tell me, why will I fail? So try to get in a boxing match with your self-doubt to a point that you win, to a point that your self-doubt actually falls flat on the floor and you win. Keep on questioning, why will I fail? And so what if I fail? What happens? The world is not ending if I fail. There are so many more opportunities. The world is big enough. It has so many humans. Someone will give me an opportunity. I have tried so much. Why will I fail? Keep boxing that self doubt till self doubt falls and you are the winner, right? So try these three techniques. The first one is just dissolve that perfect kind of a world in your mind, right? Uh, it's not Disney where the prince meets the princess, the bad villains always die. It's okay. Give yourself permission to be imperfect and just start off with your current schedule, your current timings, what you want to do. Start off and then see how the self doubt goes down and your potential increases. Okay. The second thing is dissolve that restricted circle of potential in your mind by using the statement of achievement. Remind yourself of that achievement you did when you were probably in school, probably in college, probably yesterday. And the third thing, get in a boxing match with your self doubt. Question it. Keep on questioning it till it just falls flat and you are the winner, right? So I really, really pray and hope that, your life is led by your potential and it's not led by your self-doubts. So please try these techniques and I'm sure you will be able to end your self-doubt